My love, I can't believe it's been over a year. I love you more and more every day. I look at you the same day as the same as I did on the very first day. You're absolutely beautiful. I knew I was going to marry you that day. I'm thankful every day I got to wake up and go to bed next to you every night and day. I never expected to be this happy, and I don't know what I was going to do after my little girl died. I couldn't imagine my future. And once I met you, it all changed. The way you love and care for the boys makes me the happiest man in the world. Knowing I will be marrying my best friend, my love, and my everything, round two. His handwriting's terrible. And being able to have our ceremony with our family means the world to me. I know it means the world to you. I know your mom and dad are very proud of the woman you have become. I love you, Stephanie, so much with all my heart. Forever, your husband. Ooh. I would rather have the absolute worst day ever with you than the best day without you. I love you more than I could have ever imagined. You went from some random dude liking my TikToks who just so happened to be 20 minutes away to the man I'll spend the rest of my life with. TikTok conversations got slower because I'm a little bit of a brat, but walking into Bulldogs that night was truly fate. I saw you before you saw me, and I immediately turned to Lindsay and said, I've been messaging that guy, and this is about to be really awkward or really good. You looked at me, you looked at my ID, and then you took a double take back to me and had this oh shit look on your face. But here we are, so far so good. We were instantly comfortable and immediately gave me the sense of security that nothing could hurt me. And no matter what has happened in the past, you are my future and you are making me safe. I knew from the beginning that we both had broken hearts and a rough past. You are the strongest man I know and have the biggest heart with a very tough shell. Holes. You are a very determined man that can figure out how to fix anything. Even if we call Dad 8 times to ask questions, your effort and strong will never cease to amaze me and make me love you more every day. I'm so lucky to have you and our boys in my life and make my heart truly whole. I love those boys to death and our angel princess. We will build our lives together and be the best we can for each other and our family. Pinky promise time. I pinky promise to always love you through the ups and downs and when you're a big baby with just a cold. To be your biggest cheerleader and always support your dreams. To love our boys till I die and always put them first. And to always keep Gracie in our hearts and minds and celebrate every birthday and be there for all the hard days. I promise to be the best wife and bonus mama I can be. To laugh at all your jokes and puns or at least give you an eye roll. To make you homemade sausage gravy and biscuits whenever you want it, and to always be your shoulder to cry on or your rock when you need one. I will always fight for us and our family and never give up. And I will always smack your butt every chance I get. Woo! At last, I promise to love you forever. 5 ever.
You came into my life when I needed it most. You have brought the smile out of me again, and I haven't stopped since. I can never be thankful enough for the love you have for me and the kids. In my eyes, everything happens for a reason, and I can name more than 1,000 reasons why you were brought into our lives. You are my rock, and you are my world, my love. I promise to love you and protect you and our family for as long as I shall live. I will love you forever.
This Yankee cousin of yours from Ohio is happy to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.